This is a 1999 Jaguar XJR, and I always loved this car. It pumped out 370 horsepower out of a V8 engine. I think 4.4 liters, but don't quote me on that. In the styling of Jaguar, it was extra long, it was extra over the top. This is a glorious car. If you can find them today, they're probably a mechanical nightmare to take care of. They're over 20 years old now at this point. Actually, really, they're pushing 30 years old. But what an elegant car. Look at this. This is a cliche, but they really don't make them like they used to. I love the lack of an infotainment screen, the burl wood. Let's see if we can take a look under the hood. I'm not even sure how to open it. Here we go. The hood's probably gonna open up backward. Wow, that is glorious. Supercharged. Just an incredibly elegant car. Put what you think of this in the comments, and would you use it as a daily driver? I totally would.